Back at it again, back to school time, and it's all about a growth mindset. Getting from point A to point B, step-by-step progress, that's how you achieve. Welcome back once again. If you're new to the crew, join and let the fun begin. Time to make memories, time to make friends. Thinking fresh, stress-free, bring that fresh new energy. Bienvenido de nuevo. Back to school time, we're focused on progreso. A growth mindset is where it's at. We're getting those gains like we're putting in sweat. Now, let's recap on your break. How were you summering? Were you on the move or a staycation, just chilling? Maybe a summer job, something odd, walking pet rocks or babysitting frogs. Maybe a trip with the fam or camp with friends. Now you're back, time for a growth mindset. Let's begin, focus on progress. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon, increasing inch by inch. Poco a poco, that's how you become great. With positive words, you can motivate yourself. I know I can, I'll try again. These words will help you out. You've got this, try something new. Others need to hear it too. Welcome back once again. If you're new to the crew, join and let the fun begin. Time to make memories, time to make friends. Thinking fresh, stress-free, bring that fresh new energy. Bienvenido de nuevo. Back to school time, we're focused on progreso. A growth mindset is where it's at. We're getting those gains like we're putting in sweat. Set goals, make them smart, you can achieve them. Think about what inspires you, something you believe in. Specify your goals, exactly what do you want to do. Include details, make sure they're clear too. It has to be measurable, how much are you doing? Put a number on your goal so you can see if you're improving. Make sure it's attainable, can you really get it done? Not too small but not too big, like trying to swallow up the sun. You should care about it, say importa para ti. Relevant to who you are, your specific needs. You need a time limit to bring it to life. When is it due? Put in time, put in work if you want to see it through. Welcome back once again. If you're new to the crew, join and let the fun begin. Time to make memories, time to make friends. Thinking fresh, stress-free, bring that fresh new energy. Bienvenido de nuevo. Back to school time, we're focused on progreso. A growth mindset is where it's at. We're getting those gains like we're putting in sweat. You ain't gotta do it all at once. Un poco a poco. Just make sure you're making progreso. Little by little. That's how you move the needle of success.